All right, we got day 226, building a startup and documenting the entire process. So solid day today, we cranked on the new artist version onboarding flow and essentially completely finished that. It's a little bit of a different experience. We don't need as much kind of daisy understanding and customization around like adding tasks and text notifications because it's just a much simpler platform, which gets us just hyped in general about the whole thing. But it's actually kind of frustrating because the BDK still has not finished the app build. On the website, it says 24 to 48 hours, and in the past, it has been 24 to 48 hours, and I think I submitted it last Wednesday. It's still not ready yet, so I sent them a message today. So hopefully we can get that done soon because we will still have to submit it to the App Store to get approved for a test flight external link, I believe. I think that's what I had to do for the last one. So unfortunately, it looks like we might not be able to get it live this week, which is a bummer. But still posting TikToks, still getting inbound at kind of like a waitlist in IG DMs, so that when it is ready, potentially early next week, we can get some action on it, see what people think. And then now that we have push notifications live, I also set up the customization toggles in user settings so that users can toggle on and off push notifications as well as text and email. I added that to the onboarding flow, etc. So now anyone who wants can get a push notification, which is pretty cool. Right now we only have the morning one going. That's just like morning, your game plan for today. Potentially we'll add in the one at night if you haven't done anything, but I actually kind of like this exercise of just making things a little bit more simple because before we had Sunday, the day before, that day overdue, we just kind of had a lot, and I guess I'm kind of questioning the value of all of them. So yeah, now that we have push notifications, ideally I can just drive people back with one and they can see their whole game plan without any a bunch of text from it. So that's kind of cool. And then we have another manager call tomorrow, which I'm intrigued about in terms of market research. And then we had this issue with time zones where I was working on a team with someone who was on East Coast time and I'm on Mountain time, and the way Bubble works with time zones is so frustrating. So that kind of threw me for a loop for a sec, but I think we figured it out, which is actually good because now we have that solved, and I probably wouldn't have never have found that bug before. But so now people who are working across time zones ideally will have no issue. I'm actually so hyped for this new build just to use it myself. I yeah, it's almost turning into day to day. It's just kind of this product studio where I build products that I use, and then hopefully some other people use them too. Just because I'm actually still using this task manager for myself too, just to keep track of kind of like my whole life. Um, so yeah, I kind of like the day to day is basically just like a like a product studio building for the creator economy. It's kind of how I was thinking about it right now. So we'll see as things shift as always. But overall, solid day following journey. I'll catch you all tomorrow.